Hey everybody, this is Jay back with another video, and this is going to be my thoughts and review on this Logitech G915 TLK wireless keyboard from Logitech. Okay, just got this. I've been using it a good portion of the day. I'm going to let you read some of the stuff on it. Mine comes with GL tactical switches, which are Logitech version of tactical switches, light speed, light sync, some of the stuff on the bottom, UPC. Not much on this side, just Logitech there, side picture. And then you got stuff on the back here, some of the information on it. Keep playing, 40 hours of battery life, light speed connectivity, GL tactical, ALMG. Oh, that's metal top piece, and then light sync, basically RGB, fully addressable, all the keys. All right, here's the keyboard itself. Show you what it looks like. It's quite low profile, chiclet style like keys. The top is metal. It got a roller up here, media buttons and all that sort of stuff. The top is metal, bottom is plastic. You got two different adjustments for the feet here, as you can see. This first one is 4 degrees, and that one doubles it, so 8 degrees. I really like this keyboard so far. I have used it quite a bit today. You can go from bright like that. You can set up all these switches all individually. That's your brightest, second brightest, third brightest, dim, and then off. So the dimmer you have this, by the way, the longer it will last. As you can see, you can also use it as Bluetooth. This is the wireless up here. This turns off the Windows buttons. Now on the front, got your on-off switch there when you're not using it. And then micro USB for charging. Now what comes in the box besides that, anyways, is this here. This is an adapter for USB to micro USB. So that way you can actually... No. They give you an extension as well. So you can plug this in and plug the cable in and this to the cable, and you actually have an extension for the wireless receiver. But so far I'm very happy with this keyboard. I've been playing it with some rust today, as you can see here. Whoops. As you can see, I'm playing it with some rust. I don't forget how to change my view. Not F7. Yeah, there we go. I think it's that one. But anyway, I've been playing it with some rust. There's a light and brightness with the thing off. That's its brightest. Second, third, fourth, and off. I'm going to have it on 2 down, so somewhere in the middle, so it'll last longer. You can also go into the Windows thing here. If you download the Logitech G Hub, it'll give you information on it up here. Tells you your battery life. I guess also this battery light up here will blink, and the keyboard will blink red when it's low battery. But you got presets and all that if you feel like doing any of that. I'm going to leave it on freestyle. I like how I have it set up. Assignments, game mode. Yeah, so see the game mode here. See, just those keys are disabled. I can disable whatever keys I want to. Like, say, if I wanted to disable that key, that means I disabled this blue key. But anyways, If you have any questions or comments, so definitely let me know. But I would definitely recommend this keyboard. It's a really good keyboard. All right, guys, have a good one.